Hi, I'm Val, and today we're going to be making some Noms. This is a bacon lemon pasta, and it is out of the Cravings cookbook by Chrissy Teigen. Ingredients: 12 ounces of spaghetti, 3/4 cup of bacon diced, olive oil, garlic, roughly about 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 teaspoons of pepper, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 1.5 cups of freshly grated Parmesan, and then a couple handfuls of spinach or arugula. Step number 1, bring a pot of heavily salted water to boil and cook the spaghetti to al dente according to the package. Step number 2, cook the bacon over medium-high heat until crisp, about 7 to 9 minutes. Step number 2.5, when the bacon is all done, remove from the pan and dice. Step number 3, in the same pan, throw in your minced garlic, pepper, and red pepper flakes and cook until fragrant, about a minute. Here we go. Step number 4, add the lemon juice to that same pan along with the drained pasta, toss to coat, add in the Parmesan, toss to coat, and then last but not least, add the arugula and spinach and toss to coat until it's all wilted, about a minute. I'm ready for the arugula. And then step number 5, eat that shit because it's bomb.